Hey, I'm Audra James from AudraAnnikaJames.com, and I help part-time entrepreneurs make a full-time salary even though they have very little time in between their busy lives, their job, and their commute. I'm known for having a 5-hour commute round trip. Crazy, right? Well, I'm here today to talk about YouTube and to talk about some of the cool new things I learned about gaining YouTube subscribers. So, as you may already know, there was an incident that another YouTube subscriber had done where he posted something inappropriate and they removed his channel and then they put in some protections. And so now, because of this one person, you can no longer monetize your channel unless you have 1,000 subscribers and also a certain number of hours of people viewing your videos. So today we're going to talk about number of subscribers. Now, as you can see, I only have 65 subscribers. But when I started working on really upping my subscribers, I had like 9, okay? And so I want to tell you 3 things that I learned and one really awesome hack that I used to get myself to 65 and counting, okay? So the first one is that you obviously want to have content. That's not really the first one. That's sort of a precursor to the first one, right? So you have a channel, you definitely want to have content. So the big hint here is what kind of content and how do you know that people are going to want to see what it is that you're offering? Well, you do keyword search. Now, everybody knows about keyword searches, I'm pretty sure. If you go to Google or to YouTube and you could click on something, boom, keyword search, right? So I want to show you a little trick that I have. So if you go to Google and let's type home-based business, okay? Home-based business. And what you're going to see is a list of, various things that come up based off on a home-based business. But I want you to point out is that this little bit at the bottom, see where it says volume, 18,100 a month? That is keyword search analytics. How awesome is that? This is a Google Chrome extension, okay? And this extension is called keyword, right? So this is it. Here we go. And this is one of the absolute coolest tools ever. It's free, okay? And all you have to do is go to Google Chrome and search for it, right? And then you'll get the extension that you download. And then you have to actually go ahead and subscribe to them, and it will give you an API key. You pop the API key, and then you can go ahead and this information is going to pop up here. But not only this information. So we know that home-based business has a volume of 18,000. But that means, for those of you who may not know, is that over 18,000 people are looking for this particular keyword. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll find searches related to it. So home-based business ideas 2017, 260 people a month are looking for that. 2,900 people a month are looking for home-based business opportunities. And so basically what you can do is you can work on getting a list. And as you can see here on the left side here, you've got this awesome chart here that shows you what other people search for. So it's a longer chart and it's got your volume. Now in terms of volume, my mentors and coaches have said look for volume of 100 a month and over. Now you may think 100 a month is not a lot of people looking for something, but actually, going for some of the smaller volumes can actually have a really big punch and big impact, especially if you have a great video. So I urge you to try anything 100 above in terms of creating. Now, also too, and this is a huge hint, the keyword that you use should be the title of your video. So we're going to go back here and I'm going to show you a video of mine because we're going to be moving into part 2, okay? So we're going to be looking at how to remove Twitter fake followers, okay? I just posted this recently and this was my keyword, right? And I literally named that the name of my video as my keyword. I also put it here in the description, and I also have all of these tags. Now, these tags are kind of important here, and I want to show you something about these tags. If I go to search for Twitter followers, say for example, and I do that kind of search, what's going to happen is I'm going to get a whole list of videos, okay? And this is another bonus tip, okay? I'm going to just click one of these. This is like the third on the search. And you see this thing called vidIQ? This thing right here. Let me just pause that for a second.
Hi, I'm Carl.
There we go. All right. There we go. And I'm going to log into my vidIQ account. I have a basic account. They have premium accounts, but I have a basic. All right, now we are logged in. And I want to scroll down to, there's a whole bunch of stats here, and these stats are fantastic, but we're going to go over those maybe later. You can take a look at them yourself. I want to show you the video tags, and that's the important piece. This is video tags, and these are all the tags that this particular video is using. Now, tags are super important because when people put in keywords in either YouTube or Google, Google not only searches the name of the video in the description, but it also uses the tags. So you want to make sure that you have tags, and all different kinds of tags are the way that people are going to search. And one of the things that you can do to get an edge on people is go to the popular videos, see what tags they use, and copy their tags. I mean, it really is simple as that. Now, don't make sure that you're cool and you don't copy absolutely everything, because sometimes people, like for example, this guy has his channel name as part of his tag. You don't want to use his channel name, you want to use yours, right? So just be careful about what the tags actually say, but for the subject matter content, really cool idea. So that's cool. And one of the other things that you really want to do also is you want to have a call to action to your videos. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about the content of your videos and how you structure them and all the other stuff that you can do. There's actually a really cool training that I'm going to recommend later, and it's a free training that you can do to get a little bit more education on what to do with your videos itself, and some other really cool tips to expand on this video and what we're talking about here. But one of the things that you do need is to have a call to action, okay? And what that means is that you're asking your viewer to do something, okay? What that is up to you, but your goal when asking them to do something is to get more friends, more followers, more leads, more sales, right? Because this is about your home-based business, right? So what you want to do, what a lot of people do, is their call to action is usually, you know, I'm going to be talking about this product, or I'm talking about a subject that's related to a product, and my call to action would be to maybe go to my blog post, or go to the link to check out this product, or do something that's related to the business. And one of the really cool tips that I've learned that's been working for me is your call to action should actually be to subscribe to your YouTube channel and to see other related videos in your channel. That is the absolute best way to do that. Why? Because in the beginning, you're trying to grow your subscribers. When you grow your subscribers and they're still inside your channel, first of all, the more views you have and the longer people stay on your channel, I'm telling you, Google likes that. So they're going to rank your video higher. And the higher you're ranking, it is going to matter for, there's going to be a lot of factors when it comes to that, right? So your keywords and how many views you have, your popularity, all of that matters, right? And so when you're just beginning, until you get a decent amount of subscribers, make your call to action to see more videos. And here's a cool way to do that. If you go into your Creator Studio and you go to videos and you edit one of your videos, you go to end screen and annotations. And what that will do is allow you to add on little windows with other videos that are related. Okay? So when you're here, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of that. You see add element right here. Okay? And you click on add element. But before I do that, I want to show you there are already 2 windows here. You can add up to 4. And I already have 2 videos here. One is right here and one is right there. And that video is going to, when you click on it, will pop up and that individual can see that video. And the way to do that is to go to add element and then go to video or playlist and say create. And then you want to choose a video or a playlist, and of course you want to choose your own, right? And so this is a listing of all of the videos that would be yours, okay? So you pop that in there, and then you click Create Element. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it for this one, so I'm going to cancel. But the point is to have, in this case, I have 2 related videos for this particular Twitter video. So there's 2 related videos. You can have 1, you can have 2, again, you can have up to 4. And the point is for that individual to see other related subject matter. Keep them in your YouTube channel, right? So that's what you want to do. Now, the third one is the coolest, okay? It is the subscribe link. So you want people to check out your channel and subscribe to your channel. One of the best things to do is to have this secret little end of URL to your channel to prompt them to subscribe, okay? Are you ready for this? All right. At the end of your YouTube channel link, add this, !sub_confirmation = 1. Now this is what that looks like. So this is my YouTube channel right here. Okay, and at the end of it, I added this piece right here. Okay, and what that does is that pops up a video, not a video, it pops up a text asking that person if they want to subscribe. It doesn't automatically subscribe them, it asks them if they want to. And a lot of people will say yes, so that'll up your subscriptions, right? Not everybody will, that's okay. Maybe some people want to check you out before they subscribe. That's totally cool. But the fact is that you're bringing that pop-up, you're giving them the option, and that will definitely up your subscriber rate, okay? And with this, and by the way, you can also use this at the end of your videos as well. But I want to show you how this works. So we're going to copy this, and I'm going to go into an incognito window, okay? All right, I've gone incognito. Now I'm going to click on, now, right here, so you see how that looks? And my YouTube channel is going to come up, and remember, I'm not subscribed in here because it's incognito. And here we go, confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Audra A. James? And the individual will click on subscribe, and then boom, now you have a subscription. So I'm going to get rid of that. And also point out that you can also add this to your videos as well. So if you go to your video channel, and let's go back to my channel. And we go back to my channel. And, you know, we take a video. All right. And you get the link for that video. Or scroll down just a little bit. And you go to share. This link right here, if you take that link and you copy it, you can also add that right here. So instead of your channel, you have your YouTube video. And so it will ask you to subscribe as well. Okay, so I want to also warn you that if you do this multiple times on your own machine, especially if you're already subscribed to your own channel, obviously, then sometimes when you're testing this, this might not come up. So you want to definitely ask other people to check it out and see, because I promise you it works. It also works on mobile, and that is huge. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've been going back and adding that link, that little sub confirmation piece to not only my channels, but also to the various videos, and more people subscribe. So as you can see here, I'm getting, you know, I'm getting decent amount of views for my videos. It's really upping that video. And the reason why all of this is happening is because of a great training, a great free training by Mark Harbert. Okay, he is the video king, and he's amazing. And I'm going to tell you, find him, subscribe to his channel too, most definitely. But he did a awesome free training on how to really kill it on YouTube. So he goes through way more detail than I did on keyword searches, and he's got some other tools and tricks. So I didn't tell you everything, but you got to check that video out and you can see it. He does talk about the subscribe link, but he goes into a lot more detail about what you should do, how you find topics for your videos, what your video content should be, and all of the things that you would need to do in order to grow your YouTube channel. And he gears it toward us home-based business owners, okay? So I hope this helped, and I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. At the end of this, I'm going to have some related videos and some interesting videos, and I hope that you enjoy them. And if there's anything that you would like to see, shoot me a note. You can go to audraonicajames.com and you can send me an email or find me on Facebook. I love to chat, and I want to know what it is you want to learn because I want to teach it to you. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and comment on this video and let me know what you think, especially if you get that training. That training is awesome. Check it out and tell me what you think. Well, I will talk to you later, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.